Thank you.
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. So, should we start now? Welcome, everybody. How many of you are here? Can you just, from where you are, can you just type in chat window so we get introduced to each other also? Can you please type in your name and your location? Durga, welcome. Durga is joining from Coimbatore and Arslan from Jalgaon. Haji from Latur. Good. So let's start discussing what the agenda is today for today. I'm sharing the screen. Once you see, let me know. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, good. So today's topic, as you see, that is about business analysis. Uh, what we do in the project as a first stage, and because when we take up the project, we invest a lot of time, effort, energy, money, and um, and we actually put a lot of efforts to complete it. So it is very important that we should know, are we taking a right project? We should choose the right project before we start investing on that. That's the agenda today. Okay, we are going to learn about what's important of that, and we are going to learn about how to choose the right project. Okay, so any one of you have done the project in past? As I see there are few participants, they can unmute and just talk about it if you like. Aslan, have you done any project in past? And Durga, Gayatri? Okay, no project so far? Okay, good. Haji? Okay, so not an issue. Let's learn it and understand what it means. If the business is done, as you know, the business is around you, small business, big business, and the business take up the project. We take up the project in our life also, but let's talk about business. Why business takes the project? Anytime when you grow something, when you diversify somewhere, you do expansion, you need to take up a project. Project is nothing but setting up something new, doing something new which is not done before. So that's what is called project. Project is when you take up something unique which we are not doing regularly. Maybe we are doing our business in one city. Maybe we are running our shop, our
No,
production line
sir,
in one
actually
city.
no.
The day we
No, sir,
decide
no.
that we want to expand our business, we want to grow our business, we want to take up business in new cities, new country, we have to take up a project. When you want to create some new product, we have to take up the project. For example, Tata. If Tata has to decide to launch a new vehicle, it means we have to design a new vehicle, build a new vehicle, and then start producing the new vehicle from the factory. So Tata has to take up a new project. Okay. So anything new, when you take up, we use project management principle. When you do production in factory, we use operation management principle. So operation believes in consistent input and consistent output. That's where you apply operation management principle. Those are called production operation, manufacturing operation. But a project is when you do something new, which is not done before. An operation is ongoing, project is time bound. Project has to start one day, it has to end one day. Project will always have a limited time, maybe limited money, maybe limited resources also. And during that period, we have to finish and achieve our objectives. That's what is project. I wanted to share with you because you have not done the project in past, but what is project now? Now you know what is a project. Now think about business example. What if you want to create a new product or do business in some new city? You have to first understand, am I investing in the right place? Isn't it right? We can always take up anything if you have enough money, enough time, no resource constraints. But that doesn't happen. There's always a constraint. There's always a limited resource, limited time, limited money available to us. So we take projects very carefully. So those projects are undertaken to solve some business problem. Whatever problem business would have, business would have problem with the customer. What is the customer related problems? I want more customer. I want to satisfy my customer. My customer needs some more products. Okay, all those are customer related problem. Okay, there's some problem businesses have. They are cost related. I want to reduce my cost of operation. Okay, that's also very important. Cost of operation means you have to start some better production line. You have to hire some smarter people who can be performing better. You have to buy some faster, smarter, efficient machinery so you can reduce the cost. Third type of business problem we can think of is compliance related. Sometimes we take up the project which is because of compliances. I want to make this building secure. I want to stop pollution. Otherwise, compliance issue will come. So businesses normally have three major type of problems. Some customer related, some cost related, and some are compliance related. So when we say we want to take up the project, we actually want to solve some business problem. So that's very important. And then if you want to solve some business problem, you have to do business analysis. And that's what we're going to understand. It's very important to see if there are no